This is the shelter I'm staying at with one other guy. His name is Dave. He's from Missouri. He's in there sleeping right now. I'll go over there in a minute. It's 5 p.m. It's been a very rainy afternoon, thunderstorm. Here's the beauty of the neighborhood. And you see the rocks and the steep inclines around here. I just filled up my 2 water bottles here from the stream. A lot of water. That's not a shortage now with all the rain we've had. When I'm done hiking for the day, I get lame, and I've discovered that going from the shelter over to here, walking with my hiking sticks makes it a lot easier. Whoop. I hate it when that happens. So, look at these hemlock trees. I'll take you over here towards the front side of the shelter. It'll just be the 2 of us here tonight, I'm sure. He's a thru hiker. He started March 14th.